you've been very open also about your bipolar experience. I mean, is that the proper
Yes.
word to, you know, your
Condition.
yes, that's right, your bipolar condition. Marami ang nagdadaan sa ganitong pagkakataon. I know we don't have the time in the world, but what is your most important message to people going through and the support system and the family?
Ako lagi ko itong sinasabi, Tito Boy, na yung bipolar, while it's called bipolar disorder, if you learn to accept it and you learn to seek the right help, it's a gift. It's not a curse. It's a condition. It is called a disorder, pero in my case, dahil natuto akong yakapin yung aking condition at humingi ako ng tulong sa mga doktor at pinaliwanag ito sa aking pamilya, I actually view it as a gift. It's my superpower.
Ganda nung pagkalatag mo.
Kasi po, Tito Boy, yung bipolar, you have two phases. You have phase na manic ka, tas meron kang phase na depressive ka. Yung manic ka, that's the time that you're super creative, super mabilis mag-isip, ang lakas ng loob mo, all those things, pag managed well. 'Di ba? So, parang ako actually, kapag nandun ako sa point na medyo mataas, bilis ko mag-isip. Ang bilis ko magsulat ng script. I'm more bold, mas malakas ang loob ko gumawa ng mga bagay-bagay.
Okay.
Pero kailangan i-manage mo siya para hindi ka umabot sa sobrang manic na magka-crash.
But you can't do it alone.
You
Kailangan
can't
mo
do
ang
it
pamilya,
alone.
kailangan mo ang doktor.
Kailangan ng doktor.
So you need that
Oo.
engagement, that relationship
At
with
sana yung
important people.
community,
Tama.
hindi kami tinitingnan as
Tama.
baliw, luka-luka, krung-krung, yung
Oo.
ganon. Kasi kung matututo kang tanggapin mo yung condition mo,
Oo.
you can make it work for you, not against you.
Okay.